I got a lot of these villain roles from the South movie. मुझे लगा यार ये मैं villain का रोल करूँगा वैसा ही ना बन जाऊँ
अच्छा
I enjoy YouTube the most. You can just be yourself. Just do whatever you want. Nobody's there to edit and do whatever.
tell you कि यहाँ देखो camera
कुछ
position.
नहीं. There are no directors and no editors. I was training in a hotel. Suddenly पूरा शोर मच गया. Salman's come. He comes there. While walking, he just takes the shirt off.
Yeah, and everyone's like, oh my god.
वो एपिसोड कभी नहीं भूलता. I grew up in a village ना, so we had like 4 cows. दूध जो है इतना ज्यादा बच जाता था तो पनीर बना के रख दिया था. बोले कल दामाद जी आ रहे हैं.
Is it the DDLJ वाला vibe ना?
Yeah.
That you lived in those.
I lived
that.
in that vibe.
Welcome back to What Women Want with Kareena Kapoor Khan, Season 5, presented by Dabur Amla, co-powered by Philips Garment Steamer and Max Life Insurance. वो कहते हैं ना, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. अब जो foodie है like me, हमें खाना पसंद है और जो reverse foodie होते हैं, उन्हें खिलाना पसंद है. और मेरे आज के guest loves to cook and feed, and this skill has taken him onto the global culinary stage. Please welcome my most recent co-star and fellow Punjabi, Ranveer Brar. Hi, Ranveer. So good to see you.
Good
And now you're my most favorite co-star क्योंकि आपको खिलाना भी आता है. But लोग जानते नहीं कि मैंने अब तक आपका खाना नहीं खाया.
हाँ और ये
पर आपने मेरे से चाटा खाया.
चाटा वो भी 15 बार.
That is the most important thing.
Yeah. No, but I'm so happy to be here.
I know.
So happy
I think
to
it's been so happy. I am so happy कि आप हमारे शो पे हैं and you have been my recent co-star of a film that has been so special to us. But हमारे शो पे आज इतने celebrated like you know chef आए हैं तो I want to start this episode with a little bit of a nice food war. I'm going to give you some food options and आपको you know like select करना है that between the food options what you prefer. So let's start. Idli versus paratha.
पंजाबी एट हार्ट ना परोठा.
परोठा पर आप तो खा नहीं रहे हैं. अब भी शो से पहले आपने कहा कि बिल्कुल कार्ब्स नहीं खा
आज
रहे हैं.
सुबह मैंने आधा परोठा खाया.
आधा सिर्फ आधा.
Yeah, you speaking like a Punjabi mom.
या
परोठा नहीं खाता.
आधा सिर्फ. Not like me ना who would have 3. पोहा versus पोंगल.
पोहा.
पोहा.
Yeah.
Now that you've lived in Mumbai.
And I just the simplicity of it.
Okay.
है ना?
And you obviously you make it often or.
हाँ, I make it often और दूसरा पोहा ना इंदौर वालों का बड़ा मस्त होता है.
Yeah.
They just make a snack out of it ऊपर से मतलब.
Save wave and all ना.
And then you go to अभी मैं शुरू हो गया. You go to Nagpur, they do a tarri poha.
अच्छा.
हाँ, they put this spicy tarri like super spicy. It'll steam from ears.
Oh wow.
वो तर्री डालते हैं पोहे के अंदर.
अच्छा. उफ वाओ. वेज दम बिरयानी वर्सेस यखनी पुलाव.
यखनी पुलाव क्योंकि वेज दम बिरयानी स्लाइटली कंट्रोवर्शियल है.
आप कह रहे हो तो obviously
बिरयानी and vegetables put together is
it doesn't go ना. What do you feel? आप शेफ हो आपको
पुलाव हो गया वो तो.
बिरयानी नहीं बनी
है
ना. I also agree. हाँ, I mean, you know my taste. गट्टे की सब्जी versus मटर पनीर.
मटर पनीर. मटर पनीर. I think any Punjabi household है ना. The leftover milk being made into paneer growing up.
Yeah.
And that being kept fake के जब कोई मेहमान आएगा ना तब मटर पनीर बनेगा.
How nice. So you are used to hearing that.
Yeah, I saw that. I grew up in a village ना.
हाँ.
So we had like 4 cows.
Oh lovely.
And you know दूध जो है इतना ज्यादा बच जाता था तो पनीर बना के रख लिया था. बोले कल दामाद जी आ रहे हैं.
It's like those. Is it the DDLJ वाला vibe ना? That you lived in those.
I lived in that vibe.
How nice. Wow. Now this I know. Aloo paratha versus uttappam.
आलू पराठा ना. अभी एक बार पराठा कर लिया फिर. And any Punjabi आलू परोठा.
I mean like you have to आधा तो आपने जो morning में खाया है. But आपके chef होने के साथ साथ I feel that you're also I mean now you're my co-star and you're so interested in acting. I know you are. So when did you develop this interest?
Actually मैंने ना स्कूल में जो बच्चों के साथ ड्रामे होते हैं ना मैं वो भी नहीं करता था. I was so scared of acting.
हाँ.
I never even did theater in school. The best that I could do was read a few poems on stage. That's all that I could get to.
Okay.
And then I got a lot of these villain roles from the South movies, some 6 years ago. And I did not know what a character does. यार मुझे लगा यार ये मैं villain का role करूँगा वैसा ही ना बन जाऊँ कहीं.
अच्छा.
Because I'd never interacted with the character. I'd never sort of experienced performance, right?
Right.
So for the longest, मैं कहा, मेरे को नहीं करना. Then it was, I think it was Hansel sir.
अच्छा.
You know, we knew each other and he sort of understood food
Okay.
and he sort of gave you the confidence, Kiranveer, I see something in you.
हाँ.
कर ले.
कर ले.
You know.
Now India में बहुत सारे celebrated chefs हैं, of course, and I feel that most of them are male. Am I right? I mean, that's the reason. So, but cooking comes so naturally to us women. So why like that? That this thing that where I'm not hearing so many female chefs.
Yeah, so now it is changing.
Okay.
You know, now there's Garima. She's a 2 Michelin chef, very, very dear friend. She judges one of the shows with me.
जी.
You know, there's Niyati. There is, so there are a bunch of them now. But yes, for the longest, commercial kitchens जो थे ना, वो एक तरह से they were just the bastion of men. Even, you know, we've heard of these stories of royal cooks, khansamas, bawarchis, and all of them being men. Because वो काम bulk का होता था ना.
हाँ.
You know, it is just like huge work, banquet for 500, banquet for 5,000. And the men sort of just muscled their way through.
Right, right.
और that legacy carried on. But अब with mechanization and all that, ये muscle की जरूरत नहीं है. And that is why now women are taking the place back.
That's amazing because that is true because हम पहले वो बावर्ची का ज़माना होता था.
Yeah, but
So I think people just followed like, you know,
the trend
of what it was. That's true. तो रणवीर आप एक बहुत ही private इंसान हैं and हमने आपको kitchen में देखा है, TV shows पे देखा है and of course अब Buckingham Murders में भी देखा है. So, you know, for our fans and viewers, they want to know that which are the 2 things that obviously, you know, no one knows about you.
One is मैं कविताएं लिखता हूँ.
Oh, lovely.
और मेरी कविताओं की किताब आने वाली है. This is the first time I'm announcing this.
Wow.
Yeah.
How
Not a
lovely.
cookbook, but a book of
On
my
poetry.
Is coming out hopefully this year, otherwise early next year.
Okay.
एक ये है. दूसरा, I'm a crazy collector of cameras.
Of cameras?
Yeah. So from 1953 to 2024, I have more than 40 still cameras.
Oh wow! तो आप photo लेने का बहुत शौक है.
Photography का भी शौक है.
Oh.
So yeah, these 2 things.
How nice! I'd love to see that collection.
Absolutely.
आपके लाइफ में शेफ एक फेज आया था, I think, you know, when you आपने बात भी किया उसके बारे में that you were dealing with depression. So in our Dabur Amla Stories of Strength segment, I'd like you to tell our listeners and viewers about the time that when you felt, you know, extremely down and, you know, nothing was working and how you emerged super strong.
So I was in the US और वहाँ पे ना मेरा restaurant पहले तो बहुत चला, फिर depression आया, recession आया.
जी.
And the restaurant shut down.
अच्छा.
And till then I had been the superstar. मतलब
This was back in
Boston.
And how many years ago?
I was 28 then, so I'm 20 years ago.
Okay.
Right.
So an Indian restaurant.
You know, yeah. So this was a French Asian restaurant that I did.
Oh.
And then I never knew how to ask for help. You know, one, I think it's a Punjabi thing also. 2, I'd never failed ever, so I did not know how to react to failure. So I just sort of, I didn't ask for help. I just went homeless, stayed sort of in the park slept on the park bench for a few days. वहाँ पे Copley Park है Boston में. So and then used to get up and figure out a way to find a job. Too hesitant to find a job also because my pictures are all over Boston. The next big chef, ये वो, all that had happened. So I didn't want to take a छोटू job.
Right.
You know, इतना बड़ा काम करके अभी छोटी सी नौकरी करेंगे. That I think, and then I went to therapy.
Okay.
Right. 4 sessions, and and you know, every time I went there, you know, Nancy was my therapist. She used to give me this. She had this big white paper with a lot of scribbles on it. She used to say, "Here's the eraser. Can you please erase it?" And we used to do the session. By the 4th time, the eraser वो घिस गई सारी,
हाँ.
है ना, और कुछ बचा रह गया. So I said I need another eraser. And she says, this is the last session. But this is all the past that you're carrying, that you're trying to erase, and you're losing yourself in it. I can give you another eraser, who'll give you another you? You know.
Amazing.
And then I said, yeah, ठीक है, let the past be past, and what is the worst that can happen? That's when I imbibed this. What is the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
तो फिर शुरू किया. आज आर्ट रेस्टोरेंट है बॉस्टन में.
Amazing.
Good fun. अभी अमेजिंग लगता है, तब you know, you just go with the flow.
Yeah, you have to do that. I mean,
Yeah.
and you came out of it.
Good fun.
So you did that and worked
Also
quite
good
hard
people,
for it.
Good people. I think it's just, suddenly you have your friends calling you. They don't know what you're going through. You haven't told them. Oh, remember you did this for me. Remember you did that for me. Suddenly some chef calls me from Singapore saying, I've become a corporate chef for this big company. You hired me. You gave me my first job. And I'm like, well, it's not that bad. You've still affected the lives of people positively. It's not that bad. You can pull yourself. So it's people who actually give it back, and in so many amazing ways.
Yeah.
You know?
What a lovely story. And for that, I'd love to give you our Dabur Amla
Shukriya. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
बहुत सुंदर और बहुत भारी है.
हाँ, बहुत भारी है. That is true. तो आपने सारे mediums पे आपने काम किया है. OTT पे, you did a film with Hansal, you've done our film in theatres. So which, according to you, do you enjoy doing the most?
I enjoy YouTube the most. You know why? Because it's just sort of, you can just be yourself.
Yeah.
You know, it's your channel. Just do whatever you want. Nobody's there to edit and do whatever.
Tell you कि यहाँ देखो camera position.
कुछ नहीं. There are no directors and no editors. So जो बिंदास जो करना है करो. And and we've close to 10 million people watching this there. So yeah, मेरे को तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
So YouTube.
Yeah. Just because I don't like to be told what to be.
अभी आपको एक्टर बनना है तो डायरेक्टर की बात तो सुननी पड़ेगी. हाँ, अब कैसे होगा फिर ना?
करेंगे.
सुनो धीरे-धीरे. रणवीर, आपकी वाइफ पल्लवी सच में बहुत लकी है. I mean, जब हस्बैंड इतना सेलिब्रेटेड शेफ है तो ऑब्वियसली किचन में तो कुछ स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा. बट जब घर और फाइनेंसेस की बात करें तो who takes that decision, and that is what our next segment is about. It's time for the Max Life Insurance Who is the Difference segment. So I'm going to give you some situations and I'm going to give you these placards which you have to show our audiences. It's either she or me. Who basically takes those decisions is what I want to know.
If it's financial decisions, तो me को वहीं पे रख देते हैं.
Me को यहीं रख देते हैं. It's only her.
It's only she.
It's only she. Okay, so who's better at planning घर का budget? घर का budget is she. मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि ये सारे question में सिर्फ she होगा?
See, I know nothing about money. Nothing.
Who's better at fixing a recipe? Chalo, that has to be you now, na? I mean, who better than that?
मतलब यार.
Who's better at suggesting which business to invest in? She's always telling you about कि इसमें करो, इसमें डालो, पैसे यहाँ डालते हैं. All of that. Nothing. You are not contributing anything.
Useless.
Oh God. Who's better at planning a family vacation? You. So you decide कि यहाँ जाना है.
वो मतलब मजा कैसे करना है वो हमें पूरा पता है.
हाँ. Who's better at managing uninvited guests? जो घर पे आ जाते हैं. You're like,
Actually uninvited आते नहीं हमारे घर पे.
नहीं आते हैं. आप लोग बुलाते ही नहीं हो किसी को.
बुलाते नहीं किसी को. चुपचाप, very private types.
Very private types. Yes, that I know. And who's better at planning a house party? So I'm assuming house parties भी नहीं होते. Or you call your friends.
Yeah,
over.
that's me.
Who's a spendthrift?
देखिए relatively.
अच्छा. She doesn't like spending कि shopping करनी है, ये करने हैं.
अजीब ही प्राणी है वो.
अच्छा. Shopping नहीं करती है. That's lucky, ना then. I think कि ये भी खरीदना है.
You know, my mandate to her, और ये मैं सबके सामने बोल रहा हूँ. मेरा mandate उसको सिर्फ ये है कि देख, मेरा ना कार्ड बाउंस ना हो.
मेरा कार्ड बाउंस ना.
बाकी तेरे को जो करना है कर. If I'm giving my card somewhere, just make sure it doesn't bounce. I don't care how much money is in the account, what is happening to it.
But she doesn't spend only, you're
Yeah.
saying.
So yeah.
So
That's
she's
what it
not
is.
like a day out shopping or holidays pe shopping is important.
Yeah, holidays pe she goes and collects bartans.
हाँ, like ये dish नया
Yeah,
है.
you know, we have to go there and to buy this unique cooking utensil. Or we're going to Egypt, we need to get some tagines.
Yeah.
We can actually have a cookware museum.
Wow.
With I have at least
Fondue maker.
2,000 plates, each with a different design. ऐसा पागलपंती है.
But nice. That's also like
Yeah, it's good
how
fun.
yeah, it's good fun. How exciting. So I think it's clear when it comes to the house. Now I know who is the boss. So, but it's nice. Women should be the boss, I think.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah, the men are to blame. We were supposed to be a matriarchal society.
Yeah. But
It is what it is.
It is what it is. रणवीर, अगर आपके लाइफ पे एक बायोपिक बनाई गई, तो which actor do you think will do, justice to your part, and biopic का नाम क्या होगा?
ये सवाल मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा.
हाँ.
But I think it'll be Ranbir.
रणबीर.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Not just because of the namesake bit, but because वो ना एक तो family का love for food.
हाँ.
That needs to be the primary.
Yeah.
Primary element. You need to
Absolutely.
be in love with food, and the Kapoors are known for their love for
Yeah,
food and
yeah.
the madness of food. Lovely. So I think that, and two, he's just so good with
Playing characters
playing
and
characters
parts.
and
Absolutely.
So I think
No, I think it's a brilliant choice.
है ना?
And पर उसका नाम क्या होगा? Have you ever
उसका
thought
नाम
कि
होगा बावर्ची again.
बावर्ची again?
बावर्ची एक हो चुकी है ना.
हाँ.
तो अभी part 2 कैसे करेंगे?
तो part 2. बावर्ची again, like Golmaal again.
Yeah.
Why not? Now, Ranveer, your fashion game, I know. You are quite conscious about, like, how you want to look, आपके कपड़े कैसे हैं, आपके style. I think you're one of the most stylish chefs. People have seen you, of course, in your chef coat, but I'm sure you're tracking, what the Bollywood celebrities are wearing. So our next segment is the Philips Garments Steamer Love for Clothes segment. And I'm going to give you a couple of names of, describe के कैसे celebrities कौन-कौन से कपड़े पहनते हैं. And you have to obviously guess the Bollywood celebrity.
Okay then.
Okay, so here we go. Love his ethnic and Western wear, looks like a rock star in all his looks. Loves
See,
his
it has to be
ethnic and Western.
ethnic में ना, it has to be either Saif or Ranbir again. है ना?
Ranbir, you're right.
Yeah. No, but I love what Saif wears, those
Yeah.
salwars
The
now, those
traditional
broad salwars and
and the dhotis.
the flow and the dhotis.
Loves his creative choices of clothing, sometimes even a skirt.
Ranveer.
Yeah, sometimes even a skirt. Huh? And now that you all have the same namesake, you can also experiment with your looks.
Yeah. No, when this Ranveer, every time this Ranveer meets that Ranveer, he realizes this Ranveer can never become that Ranveer.
Yeah, they're totally, I think, dramatically different people, no? Yeah. Chalk and cheese.
Yeah, chalk and cheese.
Loves his tracksuits and his designer formal sets. Swag में ये सब के बाप लगते हैं. He's always in his tracksuits and like swag में ये सब के बाप लगते हैं.
Pass.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Of course.
Swag में सब के बाप लगते हैं.
But truly, matlab,
Yeah.
I was on an episode of Kaun Banega Crorepati. What swag, yeah.
Yeah, see? We use the right adjectives for him. Loves the jeans and looks better shirtless. Not sabka bhai. Salman bhai, yes. Always looks better shirtless. I think that is the biggest hint. And doesn't
I was training. I have to tell you this. I was training in a hotel in Delhi. ये है 90s की बात. And suddenly, pura shor mach gaya. Salman's come. He comes there in the lobby. He's wearing a shirt. while walking he just takes the
Takes
shirt
her
off
shirt,
and
yeah, and everyone's like, oh my god.
yeah, so मेरे को वो उस होटल की वो ट्रेनिंग का वो एपिसोड कभी नहीं भूलता.
हाँ, वो
And
visual.
suddenly everybody is like, nobody was bothered.
Yeah. I mean, definitely, that is his charm. But I think you've done well. So
Thank you
I
very
want
much.
to give you your Philips Garmin steamer, which you will use. Thank you. आप, of course, एक expert chef है. But I want to ask you, even I mean, the listeners, viewers, we all want to know, which is that one dish that Chef Ranveer Brar can do the best that no one else can.
The one dish that Chef Ranveer Brar can do that no one else can do was the one he cooked for you and you decided नहीं मैं बहुत दूर रह रही हूँ. And no, I think the kids were there.
Yeah, Jay was with me.
Yeah,
But it was 45 minutes away when we were in Dover.
In Dover. So
Which is what? But आप बताइए वो dish का नाम.
Nihari.
So your Nalli Nihari is the best.
Is, I think,
better than any other chef.
Everyone to his own, but अच्छी बना लेते हैं.
तो आप बना लेते. So guys, that the invitation is still open, right?
Absolutely.
So then, I mean, I'm sure that I mean, I can come anytime. We can plan this, and I have to try it because I love Nalli Nihari.
Absolutely.
I mean, so the quintessential question, Ranveer as a chef, which is that one heirloom recipe which you carry and which you can remember, that you still remember, and tell us about it. Which you.
So I think for me now it'll be always be just churi. So when I was a kid, na,
paratha ka churi jo hota hai.
So my even now when I'm in the kitchen, na, I draw a lot from my BG, from my dadi.
Okay.
Well, she was a frail old woman.
We and lost you lived where in Amritsar?
In Lucknow.
In Lucknow.
So and I lost her when I was 7. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि memory बहुत we spent a lot of time together. But उनकी वो जो एक frail old lady in our kitchen was the typical wood-fired kitchen, dark kitchen, and all you had to say was, Biji, भूख लगी है. And she used to sort of run into the kitchen like that was a trigger word.
Yeah.
And like a sorceress, वो जादू करके ना फटाफट से रोटी बनाती थी और फिर वो गरम रोटी में वो गरम घी and then
God.
That shakkar.
They put that shakkar and oh my God.
And I used to be like, यार इनके हाथ नहीं चलते. And इसमें दादी हाथ नहीं चलते आपके. कहते पुत्र जिथे प्यार हुंदा है ना उत्थे हाथ नहीं चलते.
Yeah, so nice.
So she's like, and I always remember that, and I don't forget whenever I'm cooking. मैं वही याद रखता हूँ कि यार रणवीर प्यार से बना यार.
Yeah.
है ना?
Such a lovely story. I love that. It's just
for me it is that churi. That churi.
But can you make that now?
वैसी नहीं बनेगी
but बना लेते.
अच्छी बनाएंगे. आप आइए कभी.
Your food game is impeccable. This I know. We are in season 5, as you know, so we have to play this game, which is super fun, called Jaldi 5, which is that हम आपको कुछ like a rapid fire basically. कुछ questions कहेंगे and आपको obviously answer करना है. But it's a twist. Because इसमें twist क्या है? Because मैं आपको मसालों का नाम दूंगी. So in that you have to say के which actress matches that masala.
Oh. Okay.
So slightly, it's a fun game, yaar. It's a masaledar game. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Super. Chaat masala.
Ananya.
Ananya's chaat masala.
That's why, because chunky chaat.
Oh God, you've connected it and given us. Fab. Haldi.
I think after Buckingham it's you.
Haldi? मैंने हर चीज में. अच्छा, okay.
You can just do, now it's just proved. You can do any role with so much ease.
Garam masala.
Deepika.
Garam masala. I think it's apt. It's getting better and better, guys? Amchur masala.
I think
Sonakshi is Amchur. Yes, she's lovely. We had her on the show yesterday.
Yeah, and just that, she adds that, sometimes that sprinkle is enough. She's that sprinkle.
She has that quality about her, for sure. Now, लाल मिर्ची मसाला.
अभी हुई नहीं?
अभी आपको तो मसाले के बारे में पता होगा. आमचूर चाट और लाल मिर्च. देसी खाने में कितने मसाले जाते हैं?
नहीं, आपको स्पाइसी वाली लाल मिर्च या कलर वाली लाल मिर्च?
स्पाइसी वाली लाल मिर्च ना.
Okay, स्पाइसी वाली लाल मिर्च I think has to be.
He's thinking.
I have to say Karishma.
Yeah.
You know, for
I was also thinking
हाँ,
that
मतलब you know,
मिर्ची लगी
for
तो
a kid growing up in the
90s.
90s.
No, she's the perfect Lal Mirch,
है ना?
I think, ना, because she had that
Yeah.
मिर्ची वाली zing अपने
Zing.
dance में.
और आप करिश्मा को बता दीजिए, she'll always be my लाल मिर्च.
Of course, so nice. I think it was really well done. But of course, before I let you go, you know, we must raise a toast before
Absolutely.
that to this lovely chat, to your strong talent, for you being so amazing. And I'm so happy that we got this opportunity to work together in Buckingham Murders.
Oh, I'm
And
so happy.
To
I'm so
many,
happy.
to many more.
Absolutely. And you know, I want to clarify this to everybody. She did not slap me 15 times, guys. My social media is flooded. 15 बार चाटे खा के कैसा लगा?
कैसा लगा?
She did. हाँ, she did not slap me 15 times. I'm going to look at the camera and say this.
Oh, no.
15 बार थप्पड़ नहीं मारा उसने यार. Story ये थी कि she was refusing to even touch me.
Yeah. See?
वो
I'm too
मतलब
kind.
हाँ, she's too kind. तो she was refusing to even touch me. her hand was going like this and मेरे कोई घूमना नहीं आ रहा था. इसलिए 15 बार टेक हुआ है. थप्पड़ नहीं मारा उसने, ठीक है?
No, that's so sweet.
Social media is like.
नहीं, social media पे तो बात तो you know how it is.
Yeah, but ठीक है, मैंने बोल दिया. My conscience is clear.
नहीं, but of course. So now before you go, you get to ask me a question. This is a segment that everyone goes before they leave. They ask me a question, what they want to ask me.
You know, you've been watching. You've been behind camera.
Yeah.
You grew up in a family. If there's one film, yeah, that your dad acted in, that you'd want redone and you'd want to be acting in that, which one would that be?
Oh, my dad did few films that he did lovely films. I enjoyed actually Chacha Bhatija a lot because it was fun. But I would say Kal Aaj Aur Kal because उसमें सारे
Yeah.
family थे. It was like a generational kind of movie. So hope one day everyone can do a film together.
Absolutely. I love the idea.
But thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure that you've come on my show. And
मजा आया, मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया.
so good. Thank you, Ravi.
Cheers.
If you loved this episode, please tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Mirchi Plus. ये शो गाना के पॉडकास्ट सेक्शन में भी मिलेगा. This is Kareena Kapoor Khan signing off. See you soon.